In this video we are going to see about set interval and set timeout. These are the main concepts in JavaScript which can be used for both React and React Native. And also set interval is like it will run with a specified interval of time. Actually the normal syntax of this is it has two parameters. Inside that one is function, you can pass whatever you want, it should run after that. And another one is timing, we can pass it as 1000, 2000, 3000 like that. That 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 seconds. So based upon after what time we want to run the same thing again and again, you can pass it that required time here. And that is the main thing. After that we are going to see about set timeout. Set timeout is it's like after a specified delay, it will render only one time. That is called set timeout. For example, after delay of 4 to 5 seconds, you need to render something like carousels. Only once time means you can use set timeout. If you want to do the repeated same with some particular interval of time, then you can go with set interval. Now we can see in the code how we can use this. Actually no, mostly we will use this inside use effect, no? Because use effect is very useful while integrating our things. This is also having two parameters, one is function and another one is dependency. If you're passing empty dependency, then it will render only one time when this component get rendered. If you're passing some state inside this dependency, for example count I'm passing, whenever this count getting changed again and again, that time this use effect will call, and what you're writing inside that, it will console or some function you need to trigger it, you can write inside here this. So it also works. In my scenario I'm just passing okay, count itself I'm passing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just writing one set interval, name it as interval equal to set interval. Actually this there is many snippets. This is a basic syntax of this. Here we are having the syntax of this. So this with the help of React snippets extension, if you install it, then you can able to see like this. Just I'm clicking on this interval, I can pass it as every 1 second. So I'm passing 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 seconds. Inside this I'm going to write set count of count plus 1. That means in previous count values initialized to 0, so it will render again and again 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 2, like that. It kind of seconds it will run. And then I need to clear this as well. With the help of return inside, I can able to clear this, just passing like this as set. Actually no, clear timeout is there and then clear interval is there. So I need to clear this interval means once this components get unmounted, that means we are switching from this component to another components. You want to clear this, we can call this interval here. What are the names you're writing here, that should be come here. This is called set interval. So I'm saving, and then if I'm go and see here means it started running. Actually after saving itself from 0 to now it is running 7 8, like it will run for every once again. So it's a continuity, it won't stop, because that is called set timeout. If I'm going some other screens, like it went 0 and then it started, this is called unmount. If you're going from this component to some other component, then that overall component will get unmounted. If you are coming again back to that component, then it get mounted. So that is called set interval. For every interval of 1000 milliseconds, it will render again and again. If I want to now I want to render only one time after some 3 or 4 seconds after, then what I can do is just replace this set interval to set timeout, and then just replace this clear interval to clear timeout. That's it. And then this 1 seconds now it will be little low, so I'm putting 3 seconds, then only we can able to see this. Now I'll saving and then I'm going after 3 seconds. Now wait, we'll go to, it's already rendering now, that's fine. It will take 3 seconds, 1 2 and 3. After 3 seconds it get 1. If you want to change this, every 3 seconds it is running, because why it is this, we are calling this count again and again after changing this set interval. That means after count is changing, because we are passing dependency inside use effect. This set timeout is calling again and again every 3 seconds because of this use effect. We are passing count here, which means if you are remove this count, it will call only once a time. Then just refresh this, it will call only one. That's it. It won't render again and again. If you need for every count of 3 seconds it would render, then you can modify this dependency as count. This what it means, whenever this count get updated, that time that use effect will call. First time na, after 3 seconds this count get updated from 0 to 1, then it will call it again, and then after 3 seconds it will update from 1 to 2, then again it call it like this. So based upon this, it is rendering for every 3 seconds. Now it will render for every 3 seconds. This is happening only because of use effect. We are passing dependency as count, not with the help of set timeout. Set timeout will call only once when the use effect will run. And also, if you need this docs, please request me. I will give you the access. Thanks so much for the watching, and also this docs link should be in a comment box. Can you please check it out? Thank you.